Well, it's time now for Tuesday Business Report to get a sense of what is going on in the global markets. We're joined live from our New York studio by Africa 54's Alexis Christoforous. Hello, Alexis. Welcome back.
Hello, thanks very much, Vincent. Well, global markets appear to be in a holding pattern as investors wait for the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates this Thursday. Despite a moderately growing U.S. economy, some analysts believe the Fed may hold off on raising rates until at least December, if not early next year, mostly because of the slowing Chinese economy and turmoil in global markets. In Africa, Nigeria's consumer inflation inched up 0.1% in August to 9.3%. Nigeria's inflation rate rose above the central bank's upper limit of 9% back in June and is now at the highest level in 2.5 years. Africa's biggest oil producer has been hit hard by the slump in global crude prices, which has sent the naira spiraling. The central bank has imposed increasingly stringent foreign exchange measures to prop up the naira, but investors appear to be losing confidence. Just last week, J.P. Morgan Chase said it would drop Nigeria from its influential emerging market bonds index because of foreign exchange controls. Vincent?
Yes, now, Alexis, you have new predictions on economic growth for Sierra Leone?
That's right. Economic output in Sierra Leone will probably contract 22% this year as its mining and agricultural industries face the dual pressures of recovering from an Ebola outbreak and a commodity price slump. 2 years ago, before the Ebola outbreak, the country was among the fastest growing economies in Africa, expanding at more than 20% because of exports of iron ore, which is used to make steel. Sierra Leone's head of economic and labor statistics predicts economic growth is expected to recover next year to 1%, provided that agriculture and iron ore ramp up again. Vincent?
Now going east, looks like some good news for Kenya's railway system.
That's right. It looks like Kenya's Chinese-built railway is actually ahead of schedule. The chairman of Kenya Railways says the tracks for a new, faster railway linking the Indian Ocean port of Mombasa to Kenya's capital will be laid down by the end of next year, and it's slated to open for commercial traffic in June of 2017. The goal is to extend that railway to Uganda and other landlocked states. It aims to cut the cost of transport and boost trade by replacing a narrow gauge line that currently has slower top speeds. Vincent?
That would mean a lot. In fact, it will help the entire region. Thanks a lot, Alexis, for your fabulous reporting there. Welcome back. Well, Alexis Christoforous of Africa 54 reporting live from New York.